Welcome back, traders! It's Dr. Yury Safronau here, also known as Professor Forex. Now, are you on the hunt for a trustworthy broker? Wondering if IUX is the one to go with? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into everything you need to know about IUX, from fees and trading platforms to their regulations and safety features. Whether you're a Forex newbie or a seasoned trader, stick around for our honest breakdown. And if you are short on time, you can just jump to specific sections using the chapters below. But hey, why skip when we are getting to the good stuff? Alright, let's jump in. To start, let's take a quick snapshot of IUX. This broker developed in 2016, headquartered in Cyprus, and also registered in Sydney, Mauritius, and South Africa. It offers access to various markets of CFDs spanning Forex, commodities, stocks, indexes, and cryptocurrencies, as well as their custom-built web platform. Now, one of the standout features here is the high leverage. We're talking up to 1 to 3,000. That's impressive. But high leverage comes with its risks, so make sure to manage that wisely. Let me tell you that you can find the account opening link in the comment section below, so you can open an account today. So, can you trust IUX with your funds? Trust is always a major factor when choosing a broker. IUX has 4 regulatory entities. For starters, IUX AU Pty Limited is regulated by the Australian Securities and Investment Commission, ASIC. ASIC is widely regarded as a strict regulatory authority, providing strong level of oversight and consumer protection. AUX ZA Limited is also regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA, in South Africa. While ASIC is a top-tier regulator, the FSC, FSCA, and FSA are considered second, third-tier regulators, which generally means they have fewer strict standards compared to regulators like UK's FCA. However, these licenses still provide a baseline level of oversight, helping to ensure some essential protections for clients. For added security, IUX keeps clients' funds in segregated accounts, meaning your money is stored separately from the company's operational funds. This setup can offer some peace of mind, as it helps protect your assets in case of any financial instability within the company. IUX also includes negative balance protection, meaning you won't lose more than your account balance during extreme market shifts. On our trust scale, IUX scores a solid 4 out of 5. Let's dive into the numbers, an area every trader cares about. I reviewed IUX fee structure on their standard CFD trading account during peak times in the London and New York sessions. Here's what I found. IUX offers competitive trading fees. Spreads on metals, cryptocurrencies, and both major and minor currency pairs are lower than the industry average, making it an appealing choice for cost-conscious traders. However, spreads on stock indexes like the Dow Jones 30 were slightly above average. For those using a raw account, there is a fixed commission of $6 per lot. Deposits and withdrawals come without fees, and the broker provides high leverage, up to 1 to 3,000. A further advantage is that IUX does not charge inactivity fees. So if you need to take a break, your account balance won't diminish just for staying idle. Overall, IUX scores an impressive 4.5 out of 5 for its competitive price and structure. Now, let's dive into the trading platforms offered by IUX. They provide 2 main options, their proprietary platform and the highly regarded MT5. Starting with IUX proprietary platform, it's available on both web and mobile, making it highly accessible for all traders. This platform is designed to be beginner-friendly, featuring a clean interface powered by TradingView. This means you get advanced charting capabilities with over 100 instruments and drawing tools at your disposal. If you prefer one-click trading or want to quickly flip through charts, this platform has got you covered. For those of you who are more experienced, there is the MT5 platform. It's packed with advanced features perfect for seasoned traders. You can customize your tools and leverage automated trading options, allowing you to set up expert advisors and truly personalize your trading experience. Now, let's talk about mobile platforms. The IUX platform is also available on Android and iOS. With the IUX Android app, which is available on Play Store, you get convenient access to CFDs and exchange markets right on your smartphone or tablet. You can connect to your broker's server, analyze currencies and stocks quotes, and execute trades right from your mobile device. And for your iOS users, there is a free application designed specifically for Apple devices, iPhones and iPads, which is available on App Store. This version lets you access all the IUX features, analyze price dynamics, and use interactive charts and indicators for free wherever you are in the world. Overall, we've given IUX a solid rating of 4.3 out of 5. While the selection isn't the widest, both options deliver robust functionality that caters to different trading styles. Let's talk about tradable instruments. With around 250 markets, IUX offers decent selection, but it's not the largest out there. You'll find 63 currency pairs, 23 indexes, 5 cryptocurrencies, 19 commodities, and 120 share CFDs. Now, this might be limiting if you're someone who likes to dabble across a wide range of assets, but for those focused on major forex pairs and popular indexes, that should be more than enough. Our verdict on IUX diversity? It's middle of the road. We scored it 3.9 out of 5, mainly because there is room for more variety. When it comes to customer support, I think it's crucial to have a broker when you're navigating the complexities of trading. IUX seems to understand this need quite well. From my experience, their customer support is accessible and responsive. You can reach out to them via email at support@iux.com. I've found these email responses to be prompt and informative. Typically, I would get a reply within a few hours, which is impressive compared to some other brokers where you might be left waiting for days. If you prefer to talk to someone directly, you can call their support team. I did try out once, and I was pleasantly surprised by the professionalism and knowledge of the representative who I spoke with. Moreover, IUX offers live support 24/7, which is a significant advantage, especially for traders who operate in different time zones or have questions outside regular business hours. I reached out through the live chart feature once and received immediate assistance. In terms of support quality, I would rate IUX customer service a solid 4.8 out of 5. Pros of IUX: fast order execution. IUX boasts an average order execution speed of 62 milliseconds. This is perfect for day traders and scalpers who need to react quickly to market changes. Below average trading fees. The broker offers competitive trading fees, generally lower than the industry average. This means traders keep more of their profits instead of paying high transaction costs. Low minimum deposits. With a minimum deposit of just $10, IUX is accessible for beginners and those wanting to trade smaller amounts. Swap-free accounts. For traders who follow Islamic principles, IUX provides swap-free accounts, which means no interest in overnight positions. Low spreads. Low and stable spreads during fluctuations of market, which can enhance profitability, especially for frequent traders. Zero commission on most accounts. Most account types come with zero commission, allowing traders to keep more of their earnings except for the raw account. Diverse account types. IUX offers 4 different account types to fit various trading styles and experience levels, providing flexibility in spreads, leverage, and deposits. Choice of payment methods. The broker supports multiple payment options like bank transfers, credit cards, and e-wallets, making it easy for traders around the world to manage their accounts. Cons of IUX. The broker is not available in the USA. US residents cannot open accounts due to regulatory restrictions limiting access for traders in a major forex market. In summary, IUX is ideal for traders outside the US who value fast execution and low trading costs. However, the lack of MT4 and restrictions for US traders may be drawbacks for some users. So, is IUX the right broker for you? It's a preference. Here is a quick recap of what we just covered. IUX offers a compelling package with fast order execution, competitive fees, and a variety of account types. Their low minimum deposit and access to over 250 instruments make it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced traders looking for diverse trading opportunities. The availability of both a proprietary web platform and an advanced MetaTrader 5 gives you flexibility in how you trade. However, it's important to know that IUX is not available in the US, which limits access for traders in one of the largest markets. Additionally, the absence of the popular MetaTrader 4 platform could be downside for those who prefer its features and familiarity. In terms of safety, IUX scores well with multiple regulatory licenses and strong protections like segregated accounts and negative balance protection. Overall, we rate IUX 4.5 out of 5. If you're a trader outside the US looking for low fees, fast execution, and a reliable platform, IUX could be a great fit for you. However, if you value access to MetaTrader 4 or need a broker available in the US, you might want to explore other options. If you are ready to give IUX a try, just click in the link in the description below to sign up and get the best offer in your region. And hey, if you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more broker reviews, trading tips, and Forex insights. Good luck with your trading journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.